Hi everyone, it's Irena and we're in the Easter spirit. So I'm going to make Greek Easter bread today. It's so much fun. So I'm going to do a really quick version for you in the Cook Expert and then show you the results. So you'll see all of the ingredients in the notes. So I'm not going to actually go through each thing for you, but have a look at the notes for all the details. So all I've done here is put all of the dry ingredients into my Cook Expert, including the yeast. It's all here. This is really easy. So now if you have a look down here, you'll see we're in the baking area. So I'll show you how to get here again. So you'll go through, you just roll through all of them there, cooking, blending, baking. You go, okay. Then we're scrolling to the next one, which is bread. So this is a dough. So we've got yeast in here. So anything that you want to bake as a dough or knead as a dough, it needs to be in that mode. So all of the dry ingredients are in here, which is what we want. We're opening up the top and we're going to slowly put the wet ingredients in there while it's mixing, and that's how the dough is actually made, and it kneads it really beautifully. So we're going to put it on auto, and this is the eggs and the milk together, and here we have our butter. So I'll pop that in and come in and have a look how beautifully it actually mixes it. I'm just alternating a bit of this and that, and you'll see it come together as a lovely ball in a minute. And see it coming through, it's collecting it all and it's going to start to actually knead it. Just let the machine actually take its course. See it me kneading it there, it's just fantastic. Really gathers it all and kneads it beautifully. Now it'll turn off in just a minute. There it is. Okay, so there it's ready, and that's as much as you need. So how fast is that? Now you'll see, look at that. Okay, I'll just turn the machine off. So look at that, that's fantastic. Now what you would normally do is leave it in the machine and proof it. So I just put it in, I'll show you. Turn back on again. Okay, I have to put that on to show you, I think. Oh no, it goes on. So then I proof it for 1 hour, which means it keeps it warm and lets the yeast do the work. So it's really terrific. So then we go through to expert. Okay, I put it on 1 hour here. Okay, oh, I'm going the wrong way. Doesn't matter, I'll go this way. Okay, you pop it on there for 1 hour. You go across. You make sure that the blade is not turning, so you take it off that turn to 0, and then you come across here to 35 degrees, okay, and you turn it on and let it run until it beeps, it stops itself, and that dough will be just bubbling over, it'll be just beautiful. But now I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to show you, let's imagine this is all bubbling over. Okay, I'm going to make or show you how to format the Easter bread. Okay, put some flour here. Okay, so, we're going to bring it out. I won't fuss too much because we don't have a whole hour to do all of this, but if you take it all out, you give it a bit of a knead through. You won't need to because it'd be nice and kneaded anyway. Okay, see how terrific the dough is, and then I'll just cut it in. You cut it in two. Make 2 long sausages. Okay, it's going to look different because it will be proved. Okay, 2 long sausages. Okay, and then I'm just roughly doing this, and then you're just going to weave it across like so. Put your egg inside, cross it over. Okay, put your next egg inside, cross it over like that until there's 4 eggs, and then you turn it into a circle and bake it, and guess what? That's what it looks like in the end. Now, isn't that beautiful? What a lovely thing. And I just love embracing all of the different cultures and all of the different traditions. And this is the traditional Greek Easter bread. I hope you try it. And if you have a particular Easter tradition that you have, please share it with us. Remember, the recipe to this is in the comments. If you have any questions, please ask. And for the coloured eggs, you can watch one of the other clips. We have a video just on the colouring of the eggs. Okay, enjoy. Bye.